Welcome to today's episode, and prepare yourself to be amazed as Dennis and Patrick unveil the spectacular before and after images of the first renovated rooms at Villa Dona Belida. The stunning visual transformation is a testament to the power of vision, creativity, and hard work. They invite viewers to dream big and imagine the endless potential for beauty and creativity in their own lives. Whether you're a design enthusiast or simply love a good before and after story, this episode is sure to inspire and delight. The general state of the property from 1911 is remarkably good. While some walls may show signs of wear with cracks here and there, these are minor issues that can be easily addressed with proper maintenance and restoration efforts. Patrick started the renovation process by tackling the outdated electrical system. He began by carefully removing the old electricity cables. Dennis turned his attention to the walls, addressing any holes or damage left behind. He carefully filled in the holes, ensuring a seamless finish that would provide a solid foundation for the next stage of renovation. Dennis and Patrick made a wise investment in a new scaffold. This decision allowed them to tackle the challenges posed by the high ceilings of Villa Dona Belida. By taking the time to remove the old windows rather than replacing them outright, Dennis demonstrated his dedication to authenticity and craftsmanship. He understood that restoring the original windows would not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of Villa Dona Belida, but also honor its rich history and heritage. Patrick embarked on a monumental task as he began sanding the original wooden ceiling. Fully aware of the significant restoration work ahead, he approached the project with dedication and determination. After he completed the sanding, the next crucial step was treating the wood for woodworm infestation. Understanding the importance of protecting the restored wood from potential damage, he took proactive measures to ensure its long-term preservation. With the wood sanded and treated for woodworm, the time had come for the transformative first base coat. Patrick, armed with brushes and rollers, embarked on this crucial step in the restoration process. As the first strokes of paint touched the surface, a remarkable transformation began to unfold. The once somber and aged wood now took on a fresh and modern appearance. In a mesmerizing time-lapse sequence, the transformation of Villa Dona Belida unfolds before our eyes. The camera captures every moment, condensing hours of meticulous work into a couple of seconds. As the sun bathes Villa Dona Belida in its golden light, Dennis sets to work, sanding down the original wooden shutters. The wood, weathered by years of exposure to the elements, begins to reveal its natural beauty beneath the layers of grime. He knows that his efforts are not just about restoring a piece of wood, they're about preserving a piece of history, ensuring that the charm and character of Villa Dona Belida will endure for generations to come. Patrick carefully applies wood filler to any remaining imperfections in the surface, filling in cracks and smoothing out rough patches with precision. Next, Patrick turns his focus to sealing the seams and edges with silicone, creating a seamless transition between each section of the ceiling. He knows that attention to detail at this stage is crucial, as it will lay the foundation for the impeccable finish that Villa Dona Belida deserves. With the meticulous preparation complete, Patrick set out to apply the final coats of paint to the newly restored rooms of Villa Dona Belida. Opting for an elegant and sophisticated color scheme, they chose a shade they affectionately refer to as greige, a harmonious blend of soft gray and beige. We witness another remarkable transformation brought to life by Dennis's skilled hands. This time, he applies a technique called lime wash paint, adding a touch of old-world charm and character to the walls of Villa Dona Belida. Lime wash is a very ancient paint made from limestone, which has been crushed, burnt, and slaked with water to make lime putty. The color is mixed by Dennis himself and could best be described as a light beige. In this stunning before and after image, the remarkable efforts of Dennis and Patrick in restoring the first rooms of Villa Dona Belida are vividly showcased. The transformation is nothing short of miraculous. The aftershot reveals a room bathed in light and warmth, with freshly painted walls, restored wooden doors, windows and shutters that gleam in the sunlight. Through their tireless efforts and unwavering commitment to excellence, they have breathed new life into Villa Dona Belida, transforming it from a neglected relic into a beacon of beauty and sophistication. But this is just the beginning of their journey. As we bid farewell to this episode, we look forward to the next chapter in the story of Villa Dona Belida, a story of renewal, transformation, and the enduring power of restoration. Join us next time as we continue to uncover the secrets and unveil the beauty of Villa Dona Belida. Until then, thank you for joining us on this incredible journey.